Good morning, students. Today we're going to start with the second chapter of Footprints, that is the story of a thief uh, by Ruskin Bond. Before that, I feel that Ruskin Bond is a very famous writer. You must have read many poems as well as the articles and the novels and stories because he is a very famous writer. So now come to the chapter that is Ruskin Bond, the thief of the story of a thief. This is also a part of his collection. The story of a thief, that means there is a something story about one of the thief. Here thief himself is a narrator. He is only telling that how the goodness of the other people can change the life of that boy who was a thief. Okay, so let's start the story now. This is a small boy who is hardly 15 years of age. He steals the things, he theft the things, and just like that only he was leading his life. One day he met with one of the person named Anil. He asked Anil to give him any sort of job, and in spite of that he will do in anything. But when Anil is a very kind person, when he came to know that he is a needy person, he required any job, but even then he was very sorry, and he said that he doesn't have any job for him. Then the little boy said that he will cook for Anil, and so Anil said ki, okay fine, that if you gonna cook, I'll not pay you for that, but in spite of giving you the money, he agreed to give him food and shelter. And on the contrary, the little boy agreed for that because he thought that it is okay if he gonna started living with Anil, that it will be easier for him to theft him, isn't it? So the little boy also agreed, and they left for his home. When they came, Anil usually only prepared the tea for both of them. They enjoyed the tea, and Anil teach him the sentences, the new vocabulary, and this way they are leading. Sometimes Anil used to give him the money to shop for him, and he never asked him the changes also. Either it's a 1 rupees or the 2 rupees or the 5 rupees. He never asked him to give it to back. And by knowing this thing also that he must have changes, the small boy must have changes, but even then he never asked it. This way they are just leading the life, enjoying the life, and the little boy was enjoying it because he never get so much pamperness from anybody. So he was also liking the things. He was thinking that because Anil is a learned and educated person, and as he was taking the classes for the little boy, one day he will also become a learned and educated person. So he was dreaming for that sort of life even. One day when he was dreaming of all of these things, that he gonna literally become a literate person, he will educate person, and he'll start some sort of business, all of a sudden his past life clicked into his mind that for this purpose, for this is not the objective why he contact with Anil. So he was making a plan to just theft him, to just steal the money. He knew this thing that Anil usually keep the money under the mattresses, and because his past life so much gave an impact on him, he decided that he will take the money, and then only he will left for the another place, and there only he'll start some sort of business by that money. So that particular night when the moonlight was there and Anil had his lunch and just go for sleep only, he very tiptoe he came to his room and taken out the money. That was a 50 rupees of the a bunch of rupees. He find it out that is of 50 rupees only. He taken out the money and then he left. When he was leaving for the railway station, as he planned to just get off from that place by Lucknow Express, he was all of a sudden he was thinking about it, that to whom he cheated. Anil, who was a very trustworthy person, who was very kind, who was very good. So he was his inner conscience was not allowed him to cheat that sort of person who gave him the trust, who gave him love, and who gave him the platform by which he gonna change his life. So he was just thinking about all these things. By the time it was drizzling and started raining, he was sitting in the corner of the railway station, and the Lucknow Express come and move on. That night he just counted the money. It was 600 rupees, and once the train left out, he was thinking that now what he will do. where he will go. If he gonna go to his friend's house, definitely they again will take the money, or they will again indulge him to all these to all his past life, where he was just known by the by his thief. He was thief, so by that only, by that tag only, he was again indulged into that. And then again Anil's name clicked into his mind, because he was the only one person who gave him the shelter even after that. But the main problem is that now the little boy who is saying that it is very easy to take out the money, but it is very difficult to again keep the money in the mattresses. But even then he took the decision, and he just implemented it. Finally he again come in the tiptoe, and then he kept the money very carefully. In the morning, Anil when wake up, he just taken out the money. He find it out that some money is little bit drenched, थोड़े से गीले हैं because of that rain. Although he understood the things, but even then he just take out the 50 rupees and then give it to the small boy, just like that only. The little boy understood this thing, that though Anil understood that whatever happened in the last night, but he never uttered a single word. This goodness changed the mind of this little boy, and he decided to live with him only. So here your story gets end. This is the whole story. Now the theme of the story is this only, that sometimes what happened, that the goodness of other person changed the mind. If even then if you are indulged in the bad things, then also the goodness and the kindness change the life of any of the person. So this is the theme. Now again coming to the justify the title, what you gonna write? Again you will write the thief character. And one more thing, that in the whole story he has never disclosed his name, because he always changed his name. Like when he met with Anil, he just tell him that his name was Hari. Actually this is not his real identity, but he has changed it, because he just want to escape from the police. That's why only. So in the whole story we don't understand what exactly the name of the little boy. Okay. So coming to the point, like when we are asking, or when you are getting the question like justify the title, again you don't have to write all the summary, or you don't have to write about all the story. You just in a nutshell only you have to write about the character of the thief. Okay, the little bit of the introduction, that earlier what was his life, and once he met with Anil, then what was the impact of Anil's goodness to him. These are the points you are supposed to frame in a sentences. Okay, and now I feel that you're gonna understood the chapter properly.